what the Lord has done for you. Nobody can tell it like you can tell it. How the Lord has set you free. Come on, let's give him glory. Come on in this house, everybody stand on your feet. All of us got something we can thank God for. He woke you up this morning. He started you on your way. He put a roof over your head. Put clothes on your back. We can give God glory. We can give him praise. David said, I will bless the Lord at all times, and his praises shall continually be in my mouth. God bless you. Thank you. Can we give it up for these musicians? My God. What a gift. And can we give it up for the Rock of Prayer Choir?